do this today and this to finish. I think I'll try using those broken ones because I don't want to get more bricks. No, will do the job. And finished. The mold is still here because of this rainy weather, low degree, so it dries slowly. Look at this one. Yeah, this is almost ready. And I'll try to do this pretty much, maybe this only, with this much straw. So not much, but it's something. And it's mixed. I have a little bit straw left, but this one is over. And I will now apply. Today is a little bit lazy day for me, but not for others. No. This looks so much brighter on the camera than it is. This has to dry. It is a bit cold here, which is the point. And this is the biggest one so far. But it's not moving when I touch it, so it should be fine. And later I will fill it with thin layer when it's completely dry. This is what light I have left. Yesterday I did just that with the axe in there, so it's all tiny and I can mix it well with these. This will not dry anytime soon, but I have to continue because the sooner I put it on, the faster it will dry out, even if it's next year. It's cold today, but I have to do this at least what is here. There is also the other side. These are eaten by the birdies a long time ago. this will be it for today. Whoop. So I have to finish this wall. Maybe I have enough straw. Yeah, it should be enough in one of those. Okay, I think that will be it. Tomorrow I'll clean up this. And this is how you do not make your scaffolding. And this is an axe. This wall was patched up, and this is being built. It will be like this. Somebody tasted melon. Maybe some snail. Do I cut it? Maybe. Hell, maybe the chickens will love it. I have this to do. And actually not much work has been done today. This has been done, but I did always this. And now I will do that, which is not much. But there were so many other things that kept coming up that I had to do before. I'll try to finish this for today. Okay, this is what I did. We'll see tomorrow how it will hold up and the next days when it can dry. Hopefully, that's it for today. Today, this. This is my new addition. Let me spy on them. If I make a noise? Nope. Maybe this time they will not remove this because it has dirt, and hopefully they will get in the bee box. I'm trying to make their home bigger. I think this hole has become bigger though. And it is possible because on the other side where I removed the clay bricks, there was a big hole, like 20 centimeters, but there was whatever it was. So maybe they are using an old cave. I'm gonna try to finish this. It's not visible, but I'll try to finish it. I started from here, did that, I'll continue. And it's done and finished for today. That's what's left. And that's it for this week.